Hey guys, today I'll be showing you how to recreate my Blackpink Duru Duru inspired design. Start off by painting your index finger pink, your middle nail white, your ring fingernail silver, and your pinky and thumbnails black. I used a peel off base coat for the ring finger so that it'll be easier to remove the glitter polish later on. Section off the left side of your index nail and paint around it with liquid latex. Once the latex is dry, make a gradient with 3 shades of pink and dab it onto the nail until it's opaque. Lighten the top part of the section by using the lightest shade from the gradient mixed with white. Section off the top portion of the nail and fill it in with light pink. Use white paint or polish to make the outline of a cube. Fill the top half of the cube in with black, the bottom half of the right face with dark pink, and the bottom half of the left face with light pink. Sealing your design with a top coat. Section off the bottom third of the nail with striping tape. Apply liquid latex to the bottom section and on the skin around the nail. Make a gradient with dark pink and a medium pink and dab it onto the nail until it's opaque. This part is a little difficult to see on camera, but I used a white polish to create an outline for the checkerboard pattern that we'll be filling in later. Use a light pink polish to make the queen chess piece. Add highlights with a lighter pink polish and add shadows with a darker pink. Follow the outlines from before to fill in the checkerboard around the queen. Sealing your design with a top coat. Apply liquid latex around the nail. Apply a silver glitter polish to a makeup sponge and dab it onto the nail until it's completely covered. Seal in the glitter with a top coat. Section off a line in the center of your nail and paint around it with liquid latex. Apply a pink glitter polish to a makeup sponge and dab it onto the nail until it's completely covered. Sealing your design with a top coat. Use white paint or polish to write Blackpink on the nail. Fill in the letters with a light pink polish. Seal in your design with a top coat and you're done! All of the products used in this video will be listed in the description below. Thanks for watching!